Like snow, honey. It's like a slushy snow. It's ice, yeah. Okay, go out there and see because it doesn't happen very often, Cam. If you don't go see it now, you're gonna miss out.
Look, this is hail. It's ice.
Yep.
Oh, it's gone.
Look, it's all over you, Easton. Here, come over here. Let me see it. Come here. Put your head down.
Woo! We gotta tell Dad it's hailing. Yeah, Dad probably knows. No way, it's hailing.
You know why it's icy?
Because it's so cold out.
Because hail freezes over. Wah, wah, wah. Okay. Here, let's see. Ooh.
Yeah, hail's awesome.
Look at that.
This is like one of the...
Hey, earlier my weather report said it was going to be sunny at 1 o'clock. I think it was a little faulty. I'll take the hail.
Because it's something that happens once in a while.
Okay, it's still happening. Go out there. Some of it's rain, some of it's hail. It's kind of a mixture.
Isn't that crazy? Oh, there's ice on our hoodie. Dude, no way. Look at all that ice. Not ice, too. Look, look. Look at that ice.
Yep.
Do I have ice?
Yeah, there's ice on your hoodie. You see Easton's? His is easy to see. You
How?
have polka dots.
How? Let me see, let me see.
Okay.
Polka dots.
Let's see.
Mama, what do you call it? That ice?
Hail.
Yeah, it's hailing. It's hailing. It's hailing. It's hailing. It's hailing. It's hailing.
It's hailing. The old man is hailing.
It's hailing.
He went to bed and bumped his head, and ice went over his head. The old man is inhaling.